Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X7a and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer as it is the place where we can enter them, and the first code, I believe it's the most known. It is *##06#. As you can see, by this code we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. And the code is *##225###. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best section to check the events because here they are grouped. Let me go back and let me show you another code for the diagnostic mode. It is *##426###. And as I said, we are in the diagnostic, so here we can check the server, host, port, time connected. We can tap on events to check more info. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Nothing happened, I know, but no worries, you have to just tap on the status. And as you can see, you can check the information just like the heartbeat, last ping or HB algorithm. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your Honor X7a. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.